What's up, Toneway Academy? Hopefully you guys are excited to watch this video, and let's get into another live demo trade. Boom. We can see from the red right there that it's in a what? It's in a bearish market, okay? So if you guys can see down there at that sell line, that blue sell line, I sold all the way down there. But I'm about to hop into another sale because it got on a fake out. It gave me a what? Second opportunity to jump in. I could have jumped in right there too, but I wasn't being too thirsty. I'm like, I ain't gonna be too thirsty. Already caught me some pips on the fake out. So I'm gonna stay where I'm at. Dang, I'm negative right now. People would have panicked like, damn, let me take my money. I'm negative. But don't jump out the trade because scared money don't make money, period. Feel me? Negative $28 ain't shit. I ain't gonna say it's not shit because it is something. But we just was up $200 something. So that's just taking out of our profit at this point. At this point, we only playing with profit, okay? So now we like, okay, it's a downtrend. But I know it probably can form a green candlestick right now because it got to have some sort of fake out. It been 3 red candlesticks in a row. It's about time due for a fake out, okay? So when it just did that little bit of a fake out, that's how we know that this candlestick probably going to be our fake out candlestick, okay? So I'm like, let me see what's going on. It's going down. That's good, but shoot. Oh, wait. Okay, that was a red candlestick. That's good. That's how we know for a fact that it's about to go down. That could tell us right there, actual, factual, that for the rest of this time, that this is about to go down, okay? I'm like, shoot, I'm in both of my sales. I should be in profit by now. But wait, it's forming a green candlestick. Hold on, wait. I don't know what's going on. Don't freak out right here, y'all. It's about due for a green candlestick, right? Mind you, we 4 red candlesticks in. It's time for a green one. It's time for a fake out. It's trying to fake us out. It want to hit everybody's stop loss, okay? And then it's like, boom. Time to go down. Let me jump over and let me go see. I'm about to add an object. Now, the object I added was a horizontal line. I'm about to put that down here at the bottom of my green candlestick down there because I'm like, I know this market got to go down all the way until at least hit this red spot. But let me go back and jump over and see what's going on. Okay, I'm -3. Okay, I'm some in the negative, some in the positive. That's good. But I know for a fact that it got to break this line of resistance right here, this red line that I just set at the bottom of that green candlestick. Boom. There go that green candlestick we was talking about. It was due for one. It was time for a green one, right? Shit, it was just 4 in a row that was red. It got to be a green, okay? Now, look, I'm in profit, guys. I'm in profit. But I sat there and I waited. I didn't freak out. I was patient. I was calm. Look, I'm 51 up right now. Let me close my shit out. Boom, let me take my 55 and slide. Boom, I'm going to take my little, hold on, let me see. Should I close? Let me close out. Uh-oh, hold on, wait. Okay, 34, 30, 37. Wait, it's going backwards. Hold on, wait. I could have jumped out. But I really was being thirsty and I wanted to hit 50. But it started reversing on me. Look, it's going 29, 27, 18, 50. Whoa. Let me go back to my thing and see what's going on. I go back and I see what's going on. And I'm like, it's in a downtrend right now. Cool. All right, boom. Let me close. But wait. Let me take my 20 cents because I ain't going to be thirsty, okay? So I took what I got and I took my 30 and I wasn't thirsty. Y'all. So I'll go ahead. I look at my thing and I'm like, okay, I'm going to take my $445 and I ain't going to be thirsty. And I'm going to just, let them little numbers add up. Y'all see how on one of them buys up there was like $2.76. Take that. It's profit. You just turned your 2 cents to $2. Now look down at that one right there on that sale. Turned that 2 cents to $94, okay? Whatever profit it is, bro, profit is profit. Take your profit and slide. You just turned your 2 cents into money, okay? Learn my strategy, y'all. Please learn my strategy. And can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe? Like, I'm giving you all the game for free. The least y'all can do is show me a little love and like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next one. Out.